Good morning, everyone. Let's take a couple deep breaths as we center ourselves. Let's expand our solar plexus energy. Make it as big as you know directions. Now make it 6 feet bigger than you know directions. Good job. How you doing this beautiful morning? What do you sense has changed for you? So everywhere you're not noticing change and you're not willing to notice change, are you willing to change that now? And everything doesn't allow that. Let it go. And everywhere that change is hard for you, let's change that belief. Let's make you neutral to that. You gain nothing out of believing that change is hard for you. So let's make you neutral to change being hard. Because change is the only constant there is. That's the only thing you can bet on, really. And how does it get any better? So let's go ahead and, I don't know, lately I've been wanting to stick around with Source more than anything else. It feels comfortable, it feels warm, it feels cozy to me. How about for you? Are you more comfortable with just being with God, source, universe? Sometimes we're afraid of it. We rather go to someone who can do it for us on our behalf than just go straight to source. Hmm. So let's go ahead and connect with source. Close your eyes if they're not closed already. And look up towards your eyebrows with your eyes closed. As we enter theta, let's connect with source. Source, you there? Good morning. It's funny because when I do that, it's kind of like he shows up from behind a bush. And the he that shows up is just this bright light of white light, soft white light. And like he's picking around the bush. Good morning. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us the download at all levels of our being of I know what it feels like to receive life's blessings without chasing. Now that we know that change is possible with ease, we're neutral to it. Let's have plenty of everything else. Receive life's blessings without chasing. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded they give us the following download at all levels of our being. I understand how to rest in fulfillment instead of striving for more. Thank you. See, yesterday I was talking to a friend of mine, and we were saying, okay, after all the atrocities we had to go through, after everything we had to endure, because any which way we turned, we were binded. We had either simulations, we had overlays, we had everything, and really it wasn't. This was supposed to be a planet of free choice, but it wasn't really. For all of that, we deserve something. And if you deserve something, what would you like to get instead? And she mentioned her stuff, and then to me was like, I would like to have all the money in the world that where I don't need to worry about how much anything costs. I want a boat, I buy the boat. I want to fly private plane to get somewhere. I can do that. I want to have another beach home. I can do that without worrying whatsoever if it's there or not. It's just replenish at will. Hmm. So, creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us the following download. I relieve the belief that I have to work hard to be worthy. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us the following download at all levels of our being. I allow abundance and joy to find me with ease. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us the following download at all levels of our being. I know how to recognize when enough is truly enough. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded to give us the following download at all levels of our being. I am safe to slow down and enjoy the present moment. Thank you. See, you got to get that source, God, universe. It's only present in the now. He's not in the past, he's not in the future. He's in the now. So slow down and enjoy it. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us following download at all levels of our being. I release the pattern of needing constant stimulation to feel alive. Thank you. And make sure you're sensing what's going on inside your body. Some of the downloads, the ones that you don't have, the new ones, because you have a percentage. If you were to say 100% is full, you might have like 10, 20% of it where you allow some of it, but not 100. But once you have 100, once you completely and totally allow that, your whole body feels tingly. Or at least that's how it feels for me. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that give us the following download at our levels of our being. I allow myself to be deeply fulfilled here and now. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded to give us the following download at all levels of our being. I trust that what is meant for me will arrive in perfect timing. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded they give us the following download. I understand how to lead without fear of depletion. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that give us the following download at all levels of our being. I allow source to flow abundance through me with joy, ease, glory, and purpose. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us the following download at all levels of our being. I release the belief that leadership means carrying it all alone. Thank you. Your leadership is going to be needed. And a lot of times we have that belief that if we lead something, we are responsible by your lonesome self. That's why they're saying it's lonesome at the top. What if it doesn't have to be that way? What if you can have a group of like-minded people to share with you the leadership? Yeah. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us the following download at all levels of our being. I am safe to strive and lift others with me. Thank you. There you go. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that you give us the following download at all levels of our being. I handle change with ease, joy, and glory. Thank you. Creator of all that is, it is commanded to give us the following download at all levels of our being. I handle abundance with ease, joy, and glory. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths as we come back to the present. And when you're ready, rub your hands together, rub your face, and open your eyes.